Right here! It's too tough! Calling the Yellow Excavator for help! Now we can dig!
Woohoo! Let's go! Digging deep! Wow! Look at that hole!
A giant rock is in the way!
We have to move it!
But how?
The excavator can't move it! The crane isn't moving!
We need the orange crane now! All right, Niki, ready to lift?
Ready to lift!
Hooked and ready! Ooh, ready!
It's moving! We found water! The walls are falling!
Run! I've got you, friends! Bring the blue concrete mixer. We need to fix the walls.
Let's make it strong!
Strong walls for a safe well.
Oh! Now for the pump!
Almost there! Good job! We did it!
Get rid of Sporter Ash! Get ready for the splash! Fresh water for everyone! Welcome to our oasis! Keep our well clean.
When we work together and build things with a strong foundation, we can turn a dry land into a beautiful home for everyone.
Teamwork, Sam.
Let's build a safe place for the beach.
For the beach.
This is the best spot for the tower.
Yes, it is. Make it strong and steady. Our tower is gone.
We need the heavy machines to build it better. Let's dig a deeper base.
Okay, Niki, I'm on it.
Yes, that's exactly right.
Deeper is safer.
Keep coming, you got it. Right there. Perfect. Now for the concrete. This will hold the tower. Lifting the main tower. Steady. Oh. Wait, lower it down.
It's perfect. Yeah! Make it visible. Make it visible.
Sparkling clean.
Whee!
sparkling clean.
Now we are ready.
Safety and snacks for everyone.
Thank you, Niki. Hooray! Stay safe at the beach. Teamwork saved the day. Grow tall, little tree. Nah. Leave the beach clean. Ready for duty. Bye-bye. Bye. Have a great time. When we prepare and build things with a strong foundation, we can keep our friends safe from any storm. Always help responsible. Let's build our mountain library! This is the perfect spot. Keep hitting it, we need it to be straight. Just a little more.
Almost there. Oh no! The wind is too strong. Wood is not strong enough for this wind.
We need the heavy construction machines.
Let's dig a deep foundation. Deep and solid. Here comes the concrete. Woo! Wah! Perfect fit. Let's get to work. This will never blow away. Yeah! Lifting the main beams.
Steady, lower it slowly. Got it!
Teamwork is working.
Make it look beautiful. Oh, sure thing. Just right. Perfect.
Sparkling clean.
Knowledge for the valley. Knowledge for the valley.
Everyone is invited.
Yes, everyone. Lana.
Come on down.
Welcome.
Hooray! Read and enjoy, friends. Read and enjoy, friends. We built something that lasts.
Nature and books go together. Keep our mountain clean. Keep our mountain clean. Ready for readers. Ready. Bye-bye, library. See you next time. Thanks, Niki.
When things break, don't give up. By working together and building on a strong foundation, we can reach the highest peaks and share knowledge with everyone.
Let's go get those mangoes. It looks a bit shaky. We have to be very careful.
Yes, very careful.
Watch out! Gas!
Now we can't reach the mangoes.
Calling all construction vehicles. We need a new bridge.
Let's build it strong. Whoa! We will.
Dig it deep. Go,
Concrete is here!
We're ready, Nikki.
let's go!
Oh. Keep it coming, steady flow.
Just like that.
Solid and steady.
Perfect.
Nice work, team.
Yeah. Next, we lift the beams.
Ready for the lift! Yeah!
Woohoo! Easy.
Almost there.
Lower! Lower! We did it! It's a perfect fit! It's a perfect fit! Make it bright! Make it bright!
All clean and safe. To the mango grove. We did it!
Trumpet, trumpet! We're here! Look at these mangoes! A great harvest! Safe and sound.
Mangoes for everyone. Mangoes for everyone.
For the future. Keep it tidy. We did a great job. When things break, don't give up. By working together and building on a strong foundation, we can overcome any obstacle and help our village grow.
Let's build the jungle library!
This tree is perfect. We need it to be safe. Almost ready for books. A jungle storm. The ground is washing away.
The mud is too soft for wood.
We need the heavy machines to build it better.
Clean and ready!
A strong base for our library. Nice, Nikki.
Solid as a rock.
Oh, keep it cool. Lifting the main stairs.
Down. Stop. Easy, easy.
Down! Down!
Easy! Almost there!
Yeah! It's a perfect fit! Make it colorful! Time for the books! Hooray! Yes! A safe home for books! Welcome to the library! Cheers to teamwork! Stay strong, little flower. Keep the jungle clean.
When nature gets tough, don't give up. By working together and building on a strong foundation, we can keep our dreams safe forever. See you next time, friends.
Let's bring health to everyone.
This clinic needs to be stronger. We need more space for our friends. Yes, let's do it.
A big storm is coming.
Look at that lightning!
Look at that light! Hurry inside!
Oh no, our clinic!
We can't help anyone like this.
Calling the heavy construction team.
We need a stone hospital.
Clear the site for the foundation!
Clean and ready.
Nice work.
We're almost done.
Welcome to the site!
Ready to pour.
A strong base for health!
This will stay strong.
Who can the jar? Excellent work!
Keep the base cool. Great work. Great work. Thanks.
Lifting the main walls! Affirmative! Steady!
Oh,
Hold it!
careful.
Almost there! Now! Got it! Great teamwork!
Make it shine for everyone.
Oh, it looks wonderful, Niki.
Yes,
A job well done.
we did it. The Sunnyville Hospital is ready to go.
The Sunnyville Hospital is ready to go!
Yes, everything is safe now. Open for business. Open for business. Welcome everyone to Hope Hospital. We're so glad you're here. Let's celebrate.
To health and friendship. Oh, that.
A healing garden.
Keep our clinic clean.
Safe for all our friends. When the storm takes things away, don't lose hope. By working together and building on a strong foundation,